So, $15 iPhone. This is what $15 can get you. It depends on what you look for. I got this for $15. It is a Slate 16GB iPhone 5 on iOS 10. But as the title says, $25 iPhone. This was $10. Next one was 15. So the screen and the whole, I think this one is bent. Yeah, this has a bent side. This one is bent. This one is perfect, in perfect condition. Like it's never been touched. So I'm gonna take the battery and actually no, I'll keep the battery here. This one goes replaced. The battery sucks in this one. I'm going to take the motherboard, the camera, and that's really it. And put it into this one. This one is activation locked. 4 parts or repair. So I'm trying to get it done with and over with. Oh. This one has no screws in it, so I'm just gonna. As you can see, it's been opened up by me before because I've been switching parts in and out just to test for my other iPhone 5 that's on iOS 6 because that battery recently died. So I'm just gonna take the battery out if I can. There we go. That's probably the original battery. I'm not worried about keeping screws counted for this side because we have it all on that one. So I'll keep checking. Oh, it's not even alright. But yeah, the dock has been replaced in this phone. I can tell. This won't come out. I want to go one size lower, but this one might be stripped. There we go. So I'm gonna pop the SIM tray out. Just do it like this. There you go. I think this one has cellular issues, so it doesn't really matter if I fix it or not. It's still gonna have issues. I think it's because it's locked, or either it's got a bad SIM reader. Okay. Goes over there. Take this thing off. I think this one also has a bad flash. Not sure. Okay, I'll wait till I take that out. I think that's really it to disconnect. I'm just gonna unscrew the two of the screws. That's it. This should just come up. Unless there is a screw somewhere. Which I don't think there is. But I'm gonna take these off just in case there is one. Yep. Oh, I did it again. All right, now the board should come out. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. I didn't know there's any more screws connected to it, so it is on me. Is that the screw? Oh, there's two of them. No, there's not. Pop it off, I guess. There we go. Let me disconnect that. And this is my iPhone 5 motherboard. Now, if we compare it to the iPhone 72 Pro Max Ultra, you can see things really aged. No, this is a 2019 iPad motherboard that has severe water damage and cannot be fixed. But that's all we need from this phone. And we'll start the process on this phone. I'm not really serious if I'm taking anything off of that phone because it's all going to be in this one. I'm not sure how good the battery is in this phone, but if it's good, I'll keep it as is. If it's not, I'll put that battery in. Even though that battery did come from my other iPhone 5 and does not have the good battery life. This is what we're gonna need. Is can I even get it open? Okay. It's okay if we scratch it a bit. As I just did. Is someone put like glue on this thing? I hope not. I'm trying to just open. Oh, turn it on. Yeah, sadly this one's on iOS 7. I don't know what version of iOS 7, but it is on iOS 7. I need a different one. If I have them. I don't know where to put them. Right here. Put a pick right here. And just going to like this until it unlocks, and the same on this side. Like this. Now be careful when you do this to your iPhone 5. It will end up like this. This is why I'm replacing it. The screen's glue is insanely cheap, and at this time it's like 10 years old. It's going to lose its stick because it is early Apple. And there's an iPhone 5 inside. So I'm gonna move to a Philips. That's not a Philips. This is right here. To unplug the battery. I bought this phone for my friend locally. He said it was his father's and he forgot the password, so I just bought it for insanely cheap. Hopefully I can get it unlocked one day, but as it currently stands, it's just going to be taken apart. Oh, okay. So we can get the screen off right now. This is the part I hate, is taking off this shield, because it's like get it in there somewhere to come out. You can see it. Just gotta. I don't know. I feel like it's stapled in sometimes. So I'm just gonna unplug the cables from here. There's the screen. That looks to have no damage at all. No water damage or nothing. It is a perfect suit. A perfect match. And then now this comes off. I'll put this here. And then take this off like before. Okay, hit from this side then. There we go. This is also unplugged now. So just unscrew these 3 screws. Leave right here. Actually, it's 2. Oh, I hate this now. Now these don't want to come out. Okay. Well, what I normally do is get these loosened up, because sometimes my tool does not get them. I get a small flathead, because these do also have little points. So be careful you do not damage these connectors. Hopefully, I don't, because I have to well, it's not my fault, but I have a damaged 4S I gotta fix. That is my personal one. And I tried fixing taking out the battery. This was like a while ago. I think before I even knew about fixing phones the right way. I kind of like pulled up the connector and the battery. And then my other 4S just died, so that was a nice housing for it. I think we have everything up, don't we? I think these 2 and the screws. I'm just grabbing all the wrong screwdrivers. I don't know if these are necessary. Let's take them out. I believe they are. Yep. This is gonna come out. This is a different revision. Yeah, because the cable for the camera's right here. Oh, never mind. That is the flash. Why was? I'm not gonna ask questions. I have a lot. So there are 2 screws at the very top from the motherboard. Instead of the one I pulled out, there are 2. And now this thing should come free, but it will not, because painstakingly there's one more by the camera. It will not Yeah. Okay. So put these. I'll put it right there. So it's by the there is a small little cable that goes here. I don't know if this has a flash issue or not. I don't think it does. It might have been the other F5 I fixed before. I had 3 of them. I still have the other one. But this is the hardest part. And this little tiny connector in. Got to angle the board. And it's in. Then it comes out easily, so. Can I pull this up? Okay, I can pull it up even more. Should make it easier for me. Okay, it's in. I'll slowly put it in. What is this connected to? Oh, that makes no sense. But yeah, things are. Okay, make sure this fits. And then to secure it down, put in the matching colored. And we'll take this hex bit. See if we can put these in with the hex bit, which we normally out of the 9 out of 10 times we can. It's just unscrewing them. This thing struggles. These are all messed up except one. I think it's the iFixit one I messed up. It is a bit messed up, but it's just a tip. Yeah, I mainly use that one for the glass replacement. If I have to take off the glass, it comes off easily if I shove that underneath the glass. Where we at? This one? Okay, so that's just that one that wasn't magnetic. I think now to make this easier, just gonna plug this in first. And then we screw it in. So we don't deal with this screw while it's there. Okay. I'm just gonna plug this in. +1. Where is it? Okay. And what is next is we put these on. I think I can probably sync up my Series 0 on here. I've already got it synced. I've already set it up. Why are you not going down? Make sure these are down. Or just adding a little pressure. And then I don't know if I'm gonna add this one. This one's kind of messed up. Where's the other one go? And then not. It's this one. It's not that messed up. Okay. I'm gonna add the 2 screws at the top. Sometimes these are not even in place, so you might have to set them in place. Huh. They're actually in place. Okay. This is the fun part, putting everything together and hoping it works. Which I hate for the iPhone 5s because screen connectors are a bit short. Or if you even bend it in a certain way, the screen in a certain way, everything comes undone. So I gotta make sure everything's in before it's all screwed in. There you go. I think I like the black on white better than the white on white. I don't know if this was a setup or not. It took a while to. There you go. Oh, yeah. This was downgraded to iOS 8. The video never came out because it's buggy. And there's like really no way. See, as it just does that. So we'll have to restore it as well. Just gonna put screws in. Bottom one first, and I gotta find the other one later. Because it's nowhere to be found. No, I'm gonna leave it unless the screw works. If not, I'm just gonna. Yeah, I don't want any long screw damage, so. I'm gonna put this weird thing. I don't know why they did 2 brackets. It's not going in. Did I not? There we go. Yeah, I don't know why they did 2 brackets. I guess make battery swaps easier, but it still makes no sense to me. But at least you know which screw goes where, because this one has a curve at the top, at the indent. Alright. Yeah, this is. I'm not. Yeah, see, like it's laggy. I think it's as soon as the Wi-Fi comes. That's not with the Wi-Fi on iOS 8. Or the downgrades on iOS 8. Just to come down. Well, then I probably didn't seed it. Yeah, I didn't seed it into this thing. Yeah, it basically freezes until. I've done it with all my phones except the one on iOS 6 because I want to keep it on there. Yeah, if I can get the control center up. In airplane mode, it works, but. See, look, now it's fine. Oh, ish. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna restore it. Yeah, see, look, it's fine when you put airplane mode on most of the time. So let's just grab a cable. I'm going to restore it on my computer. 10.3.3. So yeah, it's fine. Fine loading things. But it's once we turn off the airplane modes, I think it's a baseband issue with the downgrade, but it makes no sense because it pops up. And, iTunes doesn't even see it, so I'm going to go like this. Oh, never mind. Updated 10.3.4. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. And if you want to see more from the series, leave a like, leave a comment on what I should do next. I've got an Apple Watch on the way, and I've got this one that's still in the making. This one is painful just to even set up. I had to use like 3 different phones. This one is just Series 0. Nothing to do, nothing real too special. And yeah.